The big brand sale is on at OK Furniture and it's too good to miss. Enjoy massive savings on brands you know and love. And when you spend 2,999 or more, you'll stand a chance to win one of 20 shopping sprees worth 50,000 rands. Browse our catalog and grab your favorites before the 4th of May 2025. While stocks last, T's and C's apply. It is going to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is good times. The CEO does it's Mamelodi Sundowns traveling to my city, Cape Town, and defeating Cape Town City. Good performance all round, particularly with players such as Ikram Reyners and a few other players as well. Cape Town City sinking deeper and deeper in problems because, of course, they are number 15 in the Betway Premiership, something that you don't imagine happens often. With Sundowns, they don't even give you a sniff that you're going to get close to them. You give yourself some hope that you're getting closer, and then they peel away. And the next thing you know, you blink once, you blink twice, they are already outside the street. And then you blink once and you blink twice, they are no longer in the same location as you. So whatever Orlando Pirates achieved earlier has been extinguished. That fire has been extinguished by this victory for Sundowns. Bongani Mnisi from the FNB Stadium to my place of residence. What did you make of the game, sir? Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
You
are all over the country.
Yeah, man. Ngibulise ulegend Tsofila kazi.
Yes, sir.
Ulindo ngibulise no Junior. Yeah.
You were in
I'll
the
tell you.
south of Johannesburg. You are now in the north of Johannesburg.
Mina ngizwa wena Nkululeko uyasho ukuthi le legend yasiconfuse manje. Nami confused.
Mr. So-and-so.
When Pirates Pirates my winner, at least kuba nalento lelo lithemba.
There was the false hope.
Man, yeah, kune hope yokuthi we can make
Siyasondela.
it. But Sundowns my winner, uyabuya futhi na uyasho ukuthi hayi no seyihambile lento.
Amara ngiyasihlamba izandla ngaye Grootman yami uTso namhlanje ngithi angifuni ukumuzwa not ukuthi akufuni mina. You will never hear me ask you about the title, Mr. Tso, because you can't be flipping and flopping. It's either Pirates are going to win or Sundowns are going to win. I think today he changed. Today.
Le team
Ngiyena Mr. Tso.
le team leceda ukuluza namhlanje. Ngiyacabanga beyibeke ku position 3 ngoba Sundowns ngathi ku position 4.
That's fair.
Yeah.
Akunalutho wrong uma saqala
Yeah,
isizini
yeah,
ne
yeah.
ngama prediction ukuthi who is going to win. Even though I didn't agree with that ukuthi Sundowns ngaphela outside the top 4. Manje njengoba iSundowns inokuwina ishayo iPirates isikhukhune izolo siyakhuluma la uthi wena no iyasondela iPirates mara after iluze kusikhukhune bewukhala ukuthi nokuphelile namhlanje kunga half time uthi wena no na kanjani kuphelile. So what I'm saying is we cannot be hearing you saying anything else now. You say one thing because there's only 3 matches left. It's not like it's a long season left. Say one thing. Who is going to win the league?
Mr. Nkeo, ngishilo ngathi football igame yama emotions. So when you lose, we kind of like uhlangene and then you regroup again. Ubheka indlela ukuthi noma there's still a light at the end of the tunnel. But now unfortunately, ukuthi iSundowns they are doing their job themselves. They are not waiting for somebody else.
But you would have known that.
Yeah,
They usually don't drop points.
Yes,
they've won 7 league titles in a row.
Yes.
I'm not saying you should have chosen them.
Yeah.
You get paid to say whatever you want to say about football. You are a respected figure in this country. But you know them historically, Uguti. They don't usually drop points. And I've been saying this for months now. The day that Sundowns beat Pirates 4-1 or something like that. I said, Ish, you were playing directly against them. If you are beating them, then maybe there's a confidence booster. We know from that moment, Uguti, they don't often drop points, Bona. And we can't talk about Uguti, they've changed coaches. Even this coach keeps on winning, especially domestically.
Mr. Nkeo, ufuna ukuthi ngibaphula umoya abafana bami. I can't do that. I need to push my boys. Even nanoma ngibona ukuthi yazi kunzima kangakanani, but boys, let's keep going. You'll never know. Anything is possible. Because if I will say now, noma choose a figure, ni winner lapaya, it's done.
What did you want to say to the legend?
Legend.
Because abalandeli beSundowns bayeshaya legend online. Okuhle nje ukuthi ilegend ayikho online. Bayeshaya wona.
Bangakhohlwa ukuthi le legend le iyalazi le jazz lela. And ike yenza kahle kakhulu lapha kulela jazz. So lento uLindo wayikhuluma sayikhuluma washo uLindo last what mina noBobo dala ama champagnes wa prepareile. So kunalento mhlambe angazi ngabeya kanjani kunala labantu esibabiza ukuthi mabathi uyihlonga ndlebe umuntu ukuthi noma umtshela into angezwa dala noLindo siwathengile and naloku alindile so angazi because Nkululeko ngibona ngesi-24 la kumele sponsor khona ama champagne kuyodlala ifinal ye-CAF so asazi ukuthi leya game leya bazoyibekaphi because sinale fear sinabo Lindo ukuthi it might happen basimikise kuleya game ngesi-21 while sidlala ifinal ngezingaki ngesi-24 sicela mangaba bafuna ukuyifaka le game kune space lapha kuzi-14 kuyoba kuyi-Wednesday angisho siyodlala ngesi-7 ngesi-11 ngesi-17 ngesi-24 i-CAF lapha kule space
banganiphazamisi kule veki
banganiphazamisi ye-CAF e-final abasinike kuloya 14 kuzoba kuyi-Wednesday if I'm not mistaken sidlale lawo magame kulawo kune-space bangasinikezi ngabo-21 because sina that fear ukuthi it might happen bathi dlalani ngesi-21 why ngesi-24 kumele siyodlala
asibonge Grootman Mr. Sowenso
thank you umshala Sundowns akusiba aba control league sino chairman ne CEO so yiba abantu abashoyo ukuthi fixture ihamba kanje so masibekile idate thina sathi nge-21 niyadlala honor the fixture
indlela kuzokwaba phambili
yeah fortunately njengoba ukhuluma ngale game ye-24 we'll talk about this game now by the time kufika i-24 any hope that Pirates have will be gone. So angeke kubekho lento yokuthi sizama ukuniphazamisa nani all of that. By that time, any hope, even now, today as we speak, any of that hope, I'm sure realistic Pirates fans will think, okay, it's yours, Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah, no, uqinisile Nkululeko singathi sifika kule date everything injalo but ukubalekile ukuthi abadlali bayafuna ukuthi babe khona enkundleni bakhona ukulifta le trophy at the end of the day because iba abadlalile asifuna ukuthola iSundowns ithumela iDDC ukuthi izodlala because first team.
Well, they can do that. Actually, it's a good idea.
Yes.
If you already have lifted the trophy,
yes.
I'm sure Sundowns fans would like to see their first team. But if you're preparing your first team, because I think Pyramids Yenzile actually Ekaya. Before the semi-final in the Pirates, they were playing a few days before. By loser, yes, it was a cup competition, and they sent a bunch of kids there because they realized we want to beat Pirates in the semi-finals. So we might, but I think for the sake of the league, by that time it will already be done. If it's not already done now, what did you make of Cape Town City? What did you make of Sundowns tonight?
Yeah, Nkululeko, ngithanda ukubongisa ucoach Kadoso okokuqala. The technical team, I think the management. Ngiyayibongisa kakhulu kunama decision ewathathayo kule team engibonayo because the question is iliphi people esilifunayo manje kuMamelodi Sundowns because kuya ngokuthi udlala ama game kanjani. Coach Kadoso I think ukhona ubheka ama games ukuthi le game le ayidingi ngidlale ngalendlela le idinga ukuthi ngiwine kuphela but now uyabona ukuthi Sundowns is playing ngiyaqala ukubona igame la khona bonke abadlali bana less mistakes le game namhlanje angibonanga kunomdlalo oyi1 onama mistake amaningi abadlali abaningi bonke la badlale kahle kakhulu bheka le center back epairing yaka Kekane noLibusa the underrated player uLibusa sihlala sisho Nkululeko ubheka uOpriti wadlala ngakhona ubheke umdlalo ofana noMrena wadlala ngakhona le back four yeSundowns uMutiba njengoba sicede ukuyikhuluma le studio uMutiba ukugood mangabe a-invector in the middle of the park bekadlala kanje uma ngabe uyakhumbula the past 2-3 seasons because ku-easy ukurecover abuye ku-position yakhe but uma ngabe uMtiba uzodlala afuna ukuthi overlape la khona ujump center line simthola aletha lawo ma-cross kunzima ukuthi urecover but uma udlala u-invect in the middle of the park it's easy because you can drop sometimes uma ngabe uTebza ushifte kancane esayidini lakho then wena ubuya deep la kuTebza so give credit ubheke umestemu yakhe umdlalo ofana i-33-10 uAlenda yazi wenza ibhola ibelula la kuSundowns because ibhola position yeSundowns uyayicontrol yena noTebza nje uyibadlala ngakhona ba understandana kakhulu Nkululeko give credit kulamajita afana nalawa Reiners ngiyacabanga uShay Brace namhlanje ngomunye umdlali ebesicabanga ukuthi ayengadlala kuMamelodi Sundowns ngale speed anaso but improve a lot because uyakhona ukudlala phakathi eboxini uyakhona ukudlala nabanye abadlali no Matthews udlala kahle kakhulu ubheke nangu nomdlali ofana no Sales what a player uSales for me now
fabulous pass for the second goal
leya pass cishe yafana nale pass ishawe
nale ka Reiners yokuqala
nayo you understand a pass uMatthews so I mean uReiners no Matthews ukuthi bashayela amagoli basinikeze leya 2-0 Nkululeko badlale kahle kakhulu badlali beSundowns then siyabona no coach wenza ama decision right kuma sub 80 minutes uletha abadlali mhlawumbe ukuthi bathola game time abo Maseko nomdlalo ofana noKhoza. I think badlale kahle kakhulu because abo Makaringa in the middle of the park mangiya kuleya team ekufana neCape Town City abazange babonise umdlalo engathi bengibona but ngathi beka excited kakhulu angazi bekafuna ukwenzani umdlalo ofana no
Jaden Roots.
Jaden Roots bekuyi umdlalo engibona ngathi ufuna ukuzama but ngathi beka excited kakhulu because decision making
maybe it wasn't like an audition for him. Uyakhumbula ukuthi kunezinkulumo zakhe nePirates so uyazi ukuthi the next best opportunity mangidlala ukuthi ngibone iPirates or whoever big team even the Sundowns now is when I play against another big team, and in the first half you could see that he was overexcited. It didn't maintain that performance throughout the game.
Yeah, uqinisile Nkululeko because ngisafuna ukukhuluma ngalomdlalo ofana noAubrey. Uma ungabheka lapha kule position ayidlalayo iCape Town City uAubrey unikeza umdlalo ofana no umkhize ispace abone ngathi kubalekile ukudlala kulesa space saka Aubrey and immediately afuna ukusebenzisa lesa space umkhize uba expose kubani kuMatthews because uMatthews usebenzisa lesa space la khona sibona le center back A1 le Outema Threads iya shifta ufasika ushiftela ka right manje. Yes, umsebenzi wakhe ukuthi akhave umdlalo ofana nobani nomkhize because umkhize ufuna ukusebenzisa lesa space lesa sibona ngathi sishiyo uAubrey. So kuyenzani kuyavuleka lapha kuleya center back ye Cape Town City la khona uReyners azokwazi ukudlala. Khumbula ukuthi uReyners uzokhona ukudlala kuma 30 man run. Ubonile le pass abamnikeze yona ukuthi first touch ungene eboxini. Decision making uma fika then ukhathi ball uyabona ukuthi okay nayi run uyashaya umdlalo ofana no Matthews ithi ngithatha ibhola ngilifaka lapha. I think good performance for bona but Cape Town City bebangabonakala abo Makaringa man. Sundowns dominateile Nkululeko. Ayikho into esingayisho kakhulu ngale game because ayizange ibonise nokuthi iya attempt team efana ne Cape Town City ukuthi singathi ngahle bamba team efana neMamelodi Sundowns. So kusho kona ukuthi Sundowns Nkululeko beyidlala yodwana man. So ukusebenzisa legama kunalento abathi catch us if you can. Kwamanje uyabona iSundowns ibenza ngakhona. Remember ukuthi iSundowns inama loser u3 ine draw A1. Wonke lama team akhona lawa sayidlala neSundowns home and away i-collect ama 6 point. Only game kuphela sengakadlali le esawu ama team afana mhlawumbe ne Baroka because iBaroka bathini Magesi selenge team efana ne home and away cheaper then kusele i-team efana ne Stelis.
It makes sense mawuthi catch us if you can.
Yeah,
because those are matches you should win.
Nkululeko. So mina ngibona Sundowns idlala kahle kakhulu. That is why nje bayithi zabangazibonga nika bani man of the match but at the end of the day uMr Miyaki 33-10 we take man of the match. Congratulations to Sundowns. Coach Cardoso I think wenza umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu Nkululeko even though abanye abantu mhlawumbe bangayi understand the way adlala ngakhona but mina ngomunye coach engimbeke elizingeni lokuthi understand ama game ukuthi kule game ngidinga lokho kule game ngidinga ama results. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi nako lokho kuhle kakhulu ukuthi mathola i-team edlala open njengabo laba bangadlali low block akabonisa ukuthi ufuna ukudlala dominate create ama scoring opportunity si convert. I think into right Nkululeko.
All right, there you go. Thank you so much to Bobo. We've been here for quite a while. Thank you so much to everyone who's been able to watch us during the Soweto Derby and the Cape Town City versus Mamelodi Sundowns fixture as well. It is Times was sports betting. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shop kunjani bafowethu, igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiski TV. Danko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.